What is your definition of a real man? If your foreign boyfriend told you he wants to live in the province, grow vegetables, and buy chickens and a few cows, would you approve? What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I am Zil and I am 20 years old.
Zil, in your opinion, what is the monthly maintenance cost of a relationship with a modern Filipina?
I'd say maybe a 10 or 7K is okay. I'm not really that kind of girl na very expensive when it comes to dates. I don't really mind if you can give me a very expensive, valuable things. For me, what I admire the most is the effort and the time that the guy is willing to give me. Because for me that is the most priceless thing. So I don't really mind if the budget is low because like what I've said, the thing that I really value the most is the effort, and yeah, that's it po.
Oh. You don't mind if he doesn't spend that much. So, how much do you think is the lowest budget that you would like? It's fine. It doesn't really matter.
100 is okay. We can eat sa street foods like that, mga
Monthly, 100 pesos.
ano, maybe 3K. 3K, I think it's okay. I think it's enough for me.
3,000 Philippine pesos.
Yeah.
Do you think foreign men have a budget in mind when they come here to date?
I think so. I think they have a enough but prepared budget, especially if they will travel from their country and here's the Philippines just to be with their girl. I guess yes. I guess they really have a budget.
What is the one thing money cannot buy when it comes to a Filipina's heart?
Mm, I guess it's the love. For me, you can never buy the love. Oh, also the happiness. One thing lang, love itself. You can never buy love, no matter how rich you are, no matter how many cars, how big your house. You can never buy love because love is the most genuine thing that you can give to someone.
If a guy says he is on a budget, is he cheap or just being smart?
I guess he's just being smart because I myself, there are also times that I don't have budget when it comes to dating, and my partner understand that, especially me, I'm also a student, so we both understand na there are times that we don't have enough money for dates. Yeah.
What if he is a foreigner and he is dating with a Filipina and he said, I'm on a budget? Do you think the Filipino would think that he is cheap or he's being smart?
From my perspective, no. I would definitely understand if he doesn't have a budget because not let's be honest, not all the time we have the money for dates. So I would understand. I would share actually. I would share if he doesn't have a budget. I would share. I agree with the 50-50 thing when it comes to dating. So I don't really mind if he's on a budget. I won't call him cheap. That's
If your foreign boyfriend told you he wants to live in the province, grow vegetables, and buy chickens and a few cows, would you approve?
I would definitely approve. I was raised in a province, and for me, living in that kind of place is very comfortable. We don't have to think very much kung what to eat today, and for me, province life is the best. I would recommend.
So if you don't have anything to eat, you'll just go get some chickens.
Yes, that's how we live. Actually, sa like in front of our house, we do have a lot of vegetables, so it's easy access. I can say
What kind of vegetables?
we have okra, we have pechay, we have kangkong because my mom loves to plant that kind of vegetables. Yeah.
So you're very lucky.
Yeah, I'm indeed very lucky.
What is your definition of a real man?
Okay. I guess my definition of a real man is a trying man, regardless of the difficulties that you both experience, you both encounter. The most important thing is he is trying. He is trying to give you your needs. He is trying to make you feel loved, and for me, that is the most big thing a guy could ever do to you, po.
Final question, what is the real price of love in the Philippines?
Love is priceless. We cannot measure love when it comes to money because love comes out naturally. For me, you can never say you love a person because you have 100,000. No, because even the poorest people can show the most genuine love. That's all. I mean, that's my perspective when it comes to love. Love does not really require a lot of money. It does require, pero not in a very most expensive way.
Okay, you sound like you have a big heart.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that as a compliment po.
You're still studying? What are you studying, Beb?
I'm currently taking AB Psychology, third year po.
Yeah, okay. And from here, from Naga?
Yes, from University of Nueva Ecija. So maybe the reason why I answer like that is I am full of sympathy and a very empathic person. Siguro nagre-reflect na rin sa psychology course ko.
What are your names and ages?
I'm Dana and I'm 21 years old. Divine, 22.
Okay. So the very first question is, in your opinion, what is the monthly maintenance cost of a relationship with a modern Filipina?
I think it usually depends on a Filipino you usually date, but in my opinion, I think it ranges between 5 to 10K because the we're still just a students and the only maintenance that we are maintaining is our allowances every week and how we'd usually date ourselves. And if we have a boyfriend, I think um we're okay with eating outside or in cafes like that. So I think it ranges between 5 to 10,000.
Philippine pesos. How about you, Beth?
I think approximately 15,000. Just like her answer. I think it would be based on that because 15K for a student, I think that is higher compared to her. But as a student, we are just living off by the allowances our parents gave us. So I think that is the cost that appropriate for for college students.
If a guy says he is on a budget, is he cheap or just being smart?
I think it is not about being cheap or being smart. I think everyone has a budget in mind, but I think dating is not a pre-planned it's not a bad thing. I think he is also just looking for himself, I think, and also it is also one thing being smart in having a budget in mind.
So let's say your monthsary is coming very soon, right? And then you have something in your mind, like you want to go somewhere, maybe date, something to do for your monthsary, and then he told you, I'm on a budget. So you wouldn't think like, oh, he's so cheap. Oh, maybe something like, you wouldn't think about that.
I think no, because being in a relationship is not always like that. It's not about it is not circulating about that. Um, I think being in a relationship is respecting both ways. I think it is not based on asking about what. I, you can just be contented. Ang hirap explain.
She said it's so hard to explain it. That's okay.
But I think being in a relationship, you can just respect your
Your partner.
your partner's wants this financial capability. It's not always like that. If you want this, you can get this. It's not always like that. You respect both ways.
How about you, Ben? If he is on a budget, he told you, okay, is he cheap or just being smart?
I think that does not define him being cheap or being, smart. I mean, it is actually smart to have a budget because I think he is just planning for a something big in the future, and I mean, he is just he just wants to not spend much money now because in the future he has plans. Maybe, he just wants to be ready for the future.
Okay. Now, what is your definition of a real man?
I think a real man respects your boundaries and loves you. And it is not all about having these spontaneous gifts like that. It is not always like that. A real man for me is that someone you can rely on to, but not always about money. As someone you can be confident to, you can confide with. And as someone that you can really relate to, just like a best friend. But I think that's it.
Just like what she said, a real man for me is someone whom you can rely to, not just in terms of money, but also the one who gives you respect and values you so much that it is okay for him to drop everything he's doing just to be with you if you're having an episode, if you're sad and just like that. I mean, as a woman, yeah, right, we're kind of emotional, and it is also someone who, I mean, he is also someone who can understand you despite, I mean, he does not always, he does not always should understand you, but he is willing to do things for you, live for you, and yeah, I think, yeah.
I think a real man values and cherish you. That's a real man for me.
Both in college, what are you studying, Be?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Classmates?
Yes.
Are you both singles, by the way? Like, or are you dating? Are you in a relationship? What?
I'm in a relationship.
We're both in a
You're both in a relationship.
term relationship.
Long term. Wow. How long?
Um,
Pili ka lang sa camera, Be.
I mean, we're going about 5 years now.
Oh my God, 5 years since high school.
Yeah, senior high school.
And how about you, Be? How long you've been with your boyfriend?
I think it's going to be this 4th or 3 years.
Okay. What's the secret for a long relationship?
I think it's just that we're best friends in the first place, and I think it is not pushing each other to our limits, and still have individuality even though you're both in a relationship, and we still do different things alone even though we're in a relationship.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate your honesty and your time, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.